Today is a very important day for me because today I officially announced myself on the list of AVP, where today I'm going to represent the beautiful city of San Nicolas. And together we're here with my team. We're going strong, we're going hard. We walk through the whole community of San Nicolas, where we listen to all the robberies that we have in Aruba. So we have to bring a change, we have to bring alivio on the island, and we have to make sure that everybody can live healthy and live good. Everybody can spend the money, and also the money can reach, the salary can reach to where they have to reach to. So how we're going to do a difference here? I'm going to do a difference here by bringing solutions to the table. And instead of looking to see who to point fingers, no, we're going to bring solutions to the table. We're going to listen to the people, because the first mistakes a lot of people do is they don't listen to the voice of the people. And I'm here to listen to the voice of the people, and I'm going to represent those voices and make sure we bring solutions to the table so everybody can have a better life. AVP is a party that has been following for quite a few years, and as I see, we have a great leader, and a great leader that I call today the captain of the ship, which is Mr. Mike Amon. And I'm great and I'm happy to stand right beside of him, and that's one of the reasons why I joined, because we need a good leader to lead us, and together the leader needs a good team to lead together with him. And I decided to join AVP because in AVP you see unity. In AVP we treat each other as family. In AVP we bring solutions to the table and we make it happen. We don't make false promises like others do. So we bring the best to the best. This is my calling, definitely. I have a long time with the party of AVP, where I used to campaign a long time ago with Mike de Meza from since 2009, and now I'm happy to be together with them doing the same thing as what they do best, is to grab that flag and continue going until we go to the end to make Aruba the better Aruba. San Nicolas is a forgotten city for many of us, and we need to put San Nicolas back on the map, where San Nicolas earns a respect, where San Nicolas do have the respect to have the budget, because always when they talk about budget, San Nicolas is always out of the budget. There's never a budget for San Nicolas. So San Nicolas, trust me, with me as Chris James, I'm going to be there for you until I'm not here no more. Chris James!